Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on PayPal. PayPal is a popular online payment platform that lets you send and receive money, shop online and manage transactions securely. While using PayPal, the platform has payment, alerts, security updates and gives you promotional emails or the money request reminders. If you find these notifications distracting or unnecessary, PayPal allows you to customize or turn them off from account setting on a PC, and this can be done easily through the notification setting. First, open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down paypal.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface, also make sure to log into your account if you already have not. So, and after that, in the top right corner, we can find this small setting icon. Click to this setting icon here. And once you get into this setting icon, on the top you can find to this notifications of your PayPal. Click onto this notifications here. And inside the settings, scroll a bit down and you will find all of these payment notifications, request payment notification, email notification, and the social chats as well. What you can do is toggle it off just like this. And that is it. Toggle off or uncheck the notification type you no longer want to receive. For example, if you want to stop an email with a payment, simply click onto this, and that is it. Your changes are usually saved automatically, so once you turn them off, PayPal will stop sending those notifications. Turning off notifications on PayPal through a PC is a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.